Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this beautiful manicure with reverse stamping. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm going to apply my base coat to protect my natural nails. Then I'm going to be using this Wildberry West. This is a jelly polish, so that means it's not very opaque in the first coat. You can build up the color in 2 to 3 coats. This is a very nice color, very bright, and it has like blue and violet shimmer along with some holographic sparkle. And then for my other 2 fingers, I'm gonna apply chiffon. This is a sheer base. This color is very similar to my skin tone, so I really like it to do natural looks. After applying 1 coat of the base color, I'm gonna go with this iridescent flakies. This is a topper from Holotaco. It's very nice to give some depth to your background and to avoid leaving your nails plain. So I'm gonna do a jelly sandwich. That means that we cover that layer up with another coat of the jelly polish, and it will seem that these flakies are encapsulated in between. Super nice. Then I'm gonna apply liquid latex to protect my cuticle area because I'm gonna start with the stamping process. I'm gonna be using WhatsApp Nails B032 with this design here, and I'm gonna be stamping with black. So I really like this plate. It has a lot of like Rococo style, and it seems like a great combination with this bright berry color along with the black. Just a tip, try to do cleanup with a Scotch tape. It's less messy than doing it with acetone. And then I'm gonna go with the reverse stamping. One of the reasons that I got this plate recently, it was because this design. So if you're not familiar with reverse stamping, you basically stamp the outline of the design and then you fill out the content with the polish. So in this case, I'm applying 2 coats because this is a jelly polish, so it could be a little bit translucent. Then in the middle of the flowers, I'm gonna just put some dots of yellow just to make sure that that's covered. And I made 3 of this because in my left hand, I'm doing 3 nails with this design. And by this point, my nails are completely dry, so I added a coat of the Orly Bonder and let it dry for around 40 seconds to a minute, so you'll make sure that your nails is sticky to allow the design to transfer, but make sure that your design on the stamper is fully dry. Here I'm using the other part of the cuticle pusher to remove the excess that it wasn't much in this case. And then I'm gonna apply the smudge-free top coat just to avoid any smudge, especially when you use black polish, and then the fast dry top coat to get the shiny look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.